Hi, this is Catherine from In the Pink Designs. And my project today is another Thanksgiving project, and it's got a belly band and it flips up. I have 2 Reese's peanut butter cups in here, but this could be a wonderful hostess gift for wherever you're going for Thanksgiving, or this would look lovely on the table on each person's plate. There could be some nuts in here or anything like that. I'm going to switch it up today. In the cardstock, I'm going to try Cajun Craze, but the same designer series paper, which is the Gilded Autumn Specialty designer series paper. I have some of the brushed gold foil and Cajun Craze under there. Okay, so we need a piece of Cajun Craze that is 11 inches by 5 inches. Okay, and on the long side, which is the 11-inch side, we're going to score at 3, 4, 7, and 8. And then we're going to put it on the 5-inch side, and we're going to score at 1 and at 4. Now I'm going to fold and burnish. Okay. Now I made a little error when I was making it, so I just taped on the cardstock bits that I could find. So this is what we want to do. So we're going to be taking away this piece, and no, not that piece. Ooh. This piece and this piece, and then we're going to be notching these down this way, and then these two this way. Okay. I don't think we'll see it, but I'll just leave it. All right, so let's start by turning this long ways up, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to take this score line. I go right inside the score line, okay? And I'm going to take it up to the second score line and stop at the second score line. Okay, and we're just going to take off this piece completely, and then I'm just going to wedge just a tiny bit. And do the same thing on the other side. Right on the inside of the score line, all the way to the second score line. And then take off the long piece. And then just wedge a tiny bit out of the square. Alrighty. And now we'll turn it sideways this way. Long ways would be this way. And we're going to leave these 2 rectangles straight. We're going to cut the edges of those straight. And we're going to wedge a little bit out of the square. And that's just for, as they say in sewing, for the ease of wear. It's just so that the box will fit together nicely and not bulge out. And just flip it all the way around. From this way we just did, just flip it this way and cut straight, and wedge out the other square on the other side. And that's it. Okay. Now, this is going to be this front flap, okay? So I want to use my detail trio punch, which was here. Oh, my detail trio punch to round the corners of this. Okay. And first, I'm going to put adhesive on the little tabs that go this way. Okay, so this time I'm gonna use my Seal Plus. And I'm gonna put that right here on these small tabs. Okay, and then I'm going to attach them to the piece that has our flap. Okay, just like that. All right, and now these are going to just fold in, and I didn't do it on this one, and I don't like how this looks. I should have left those flaps on there. All right, so now we have to put some seal on the insides of these, because these are going to close like that, and this will be the back of our box, so we can see the seam. The seam won't matter. So we put some Seal Plus, and if you get a little over the edge, just roll it back. Oh goodness, it's ripping. This is some extremely strong adhesive, so I have to be very careful. All right, let me go this way if I can. Now that I ripped it, am I running out? No. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. And then we're going to put the box down, make sure the sides are right, excuse my head, and press the adhesive on there. Okay. So then this will close, and that's actually our box. Okay. Alrighty. I'll put the 2 Reese's Peanut Butter Cups in there again. But this would be so nice to give a little trinket or something to a hostess, or even if you wanted to give your kids or children in your family or adults in your family a little something for Thanksgiving, or you could totally change this up into something for Christmas or a birthday. All right, so now we need our designer series paper. And you need, I'm gonna do 2 of these. Alrighty. You could put one on the back also, but I didn't. So I did 2 that are 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. And then you need 4 that are 2 3/4 by 1 inch. Okay. Use my regular seal. And I'm going to put one here. And then I'm going to use my detail True Punch on this again because it's going to go on top. And then I'll put my seal. So we'll just close it and space it out how we want it. Okay, there we go. And I have a little bit of something right here I just want to snip off. Everything good? Maybe a little something right there. Sometimes right on the corners, if I didn't get the exact angle right, I get little bits. Okay, and now for the 4, we're going to put one here, 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 and here. I did the bottom of this one because it would probably lay on the table like that. Or you could always put, remember, you can always put one on the back. So I'm going to just put adhesive on these. first, and I changed, instead of doing 3/4, I did 7/8, because with the score lines they took away a little bit, so I thought it looked better with a 7/8 width. Okay, this one. And this one. Okie dokie. Now we need for our belly band, we need a piece of, I'm using mint macaron that is 9.5 inches wide, long by 1.25 inches wide. Okay, and we're going to put it over here. And oops, I'm going to hide it underneath. We want it snug. We don't want it really, really tight, but we don't want it loose either. So that's about where I want it. So I'm just going to mark the sides. And then I'm going to put my Seal Plus on there. I'm going to put a bunch, the whole width. Okay. And then I'm going to put it on again. Just like that. That's good. It's not too snug, but it won't fall off either. Okay, then I need, let's see what I have. This is from Hippo Happiness. Is that the name of the dies though? Hippo and Friends dies. This is the middle label, and I cut it out of the brushed gold paper. This is the smallest of this side out of Cajun Craze, and these two are from the Layering Circle dies. All right, and we need liquid glue. Okay, and I need some dimensionals. Let me just remember. Nope, I used liquid glue for the gold piece right in the middle. Oopsie, I put it this way. I'll just take off this glue and then. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Okay, they're all the same edges. Okay, and I just placed it down on the belly band. I made sure that it was nice and straight, which is the beauty of liquid glue. Okay. Now I need my dimensionals. And I'm going to put 3, I think. And I'm going to place that right in the center. Okay, and now we need to do a little stamping, and I have my Versamark pad and my gold Stamp Emboss powder. I need my piece of junk paper. And I'm going to stamp Give Thanks, which is from a Wreath stamp set. I'm just going to sprinkle it with my powder. My tweezers. And then just, I forgot to do my t-shirt trick. That's fine. All Alrighty, just okay, and I'm just going to heat this up with my heat tool, and I'll be right back. Okay, and then I need my dimensionals again. I'm going to put 2 on this. And I'm just going to put it right in the middle of that. And then for the final touch, I used the cording from a Wonder of the Season ribbon combo pack, and I doubled it. I don't want to use too much again. To about 10 inches. So it's 20 inches. There we go. And I just tied a bow. Nice, good. And I got a glue dot. And I put it right there. And that's that. I hope you enjoyed this project. See how that, whoopsie, you gotta grab it from this side. And then you can put whatever you want inside. And I think this would be a beautiful table favor too. Thank you so much for joining me. I think I like this one better. You can purchase all of these supplies from me with Stampin' Up at the screen, at the address at the top of the screen. And I would love it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button if you like what you saw. Have a great Halloween, everybody. I will see you next time. Bye.